I always count every game as my last game. I always try to give everything I have for the team and for the boys. Everything I do on the field, I always try to give my best 100%.
And then genetically, they are just so gifted and so talented and so humble that pressure doesn't really affect.
I know the Lord will make the way.